In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up and connect the HP DeskJet 2955 printer to the wireless network. We will use the HP app. If you need the app, simply download from Play Store. So let's start up the app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. Let's get started by adding a device. We'll set up a new printer. We'll connect it over Wi-Fi. It has found our printer, the HP DeskJet 2900 series. Let's set up. Let's select Yes, where we will use our phone to help connect the printer to the Wi-Fi network. We'll add this device to Technology Tips 5G. Let's share Wi-Fi. Tap on the back button. The printer is connected to Wi-Fi. We need to press and release the flashing information button on the printer. Let's do that. For printer privacy, we'll accept all. We need to print and scan the alignment page. For now, we'll skip the alignment. For future firmware updates, we'll select Notify when available. Let's save. Let's print. The test page is printed. If you want to print from other devices, you need to install the HP app from the App Store on that device and add this printer in the app. Let's continue. And this is the printer dashboard, where you can scan, do a camera scan, print documents or photos, and even copy or even having a mobile fax. So this is how you set up and connect your HP DeskJet 2900 printer series to the network by using the HP app.